Welcome to my channel Chemistry Classes and Tricks by Dr. S.K. Muswi. Today we will discuss about the topic classification of mono-halo compounds. Based on hybridization of the carbon atom to which halogen is bonded, mono-halo compounds are of three types. One is compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. Another is compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon halogen bond, and third class of compound is halogen sp hybridized carbon halogen bond. Compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. So based on hybridization of the carbon which is attached to halogen, here halogen can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. So first example is alkyl halide or haloalkanes. So in case of haloalkanes, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. For example, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. Then we have allylic halides. In case of allylic halides, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is to an allylic carbon. For example, allyl chloride, here you can see chlorine is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So it is an allyl chloride and its IUPAC name is 3-chloroprop-1-ene. Then we have benzylic halides. Here again halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. You can see this benzyl chloride. Here chlorine is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Now we will discuss some multiple choice questions. In which of the following compound halogen is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon? A. Ethyl chloride, B. Alkyl chloride, C. Benzyl chloride, D. All of the above. So answer is all of the above. Hybridization of carbon atom attached to halogen of the following compound is, so you have to see what is the hybridization of this carbon atom. sp2, sp3, sp none. So answer is sp3. Now we have another classification of mono-halo compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atoms. So we have two classes of compound, one is vinyl chloride and another is aryl chloride. So compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond, it is of two types, one is vinyl halide, another is aryl halides. So in case of vinyl halides, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized aliphatic carbon atom. For example, vinyl chloride or chloroethene. Here you can see chlorine is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Then in case of aryl halides, halogen atom is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring, for example chlorobenzene. Then third class of compound is containing, then we have third class of compounds containing sp hybridized carbon halogen bond. So here halogen is directly attached to a triply bonded carbon atom, for example ethynyl chloride or chloroethane. Here you can see chlorine is attached to sp hybridized carbon atom. Now we will go through some multiple choice questions. In alkyl halides, halogen is bonded to sp hybridized carbon of alkyl group, sp2 hybridized carbon of alkenyl group, sp3 hybridized carbon of alkyl group, D both and B. So answer is sp3 hybridized carbon of alkyl group. CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2Cl is an example of alkyl halide, benzylic halides, allylic halides. None of these. Answer is allylic halides. In vinylic halides, halogen atom is bonded to which carbon atom? sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp hybridized carbon atom, both and B. Answer is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In the case of compounds containing sp-CX bond, halogen is attached to doubly bonded carbon atom, triply bonded carbon atom, singly bonded carbon atom, both and B. Answer is triply bonded carbon atom. In another lecture, we will discuss about nomenclature of halo compounds. Thank you.